Uh-oh, y'all see what I see? Oh boy, let me go down here and be nosy. Uh-oh, look like some 1500s, guys. I'm about to go be nosy. Let's get it. Hey, y'all see that? Uh-oh, he might have a little problem. Whoa, look at these beauties. E-Torque 1500, baby. Oh, they got a lot. Where's this price sticker? See if your boy can afford one of these. Let me find one with a price sticker on it, guys. Uh-oh. Grand Cherokee. What? Oh, 49K. 56K total price. Good Lord. I mean, it's nice and everything, but yeah. 50K? What's under this hood? Better be a Hemi. Oh, a Gen 3 Pentastar, baby. I want to see what these trucks cost. All right, guys, who took a guess? And whoa! Y'all can't see it because of that light. Ladies and gentlemen, that says total price $55,475. Base price 44. Man, the real thing I like about these is that entertainment system. That is top of the line, baby. No car makers can top that. All right. Oh, really? You ain't want it, is you? This man trying to get on to his next delivery. Well, I know, right? Yeah, I don't get that either. I don't get that. You don't ever gotta hit me in, that's all.
Alright, now you can drive that big ass 18 wheeler. I know you know how to drive a little ass truck.
That ain't no. Ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we got them all. Man, we hurting, guys. We selling them fast as they can get them in. These will be gone by the weekend. What? What's wrong? You found something wrong? Oh no. That's why you gotta really. Holy shit. Ooh. Ooh. Man, you a good seer, man. You saw that. Oh, you do that for a reason? We just gonna have to write it down though, man. Ooh. Oh, I thought this was a dent. Well, guys, we got one that had a little damage on it. Had a little damage on it. Our inspector was on top of his game today, buddy. He spotted that out right away. The reason you get good at that, guys, is because you likely had one that bit you or burnt you. And I don't know if they took it out of his check or made him pay for it. I don't know, but you would tighten up big time when that happened. Look at these Renegades. How they come in. They don't want no kind of paint discrepancy on these. How much is these? Oh, they got this one covered up. Base price 25. So 4-door sedan is gone goodbye. Oh, they got them all covered up. So base. Look at all the stuff that they traded in. Interesting. I want to know how they handle that damage. Y'all see that damage on that Grand Cherokee? Man, and what I just found out is he got to inspect the cars before he put them on his truck. All right, so once they get here, our guy got to inspect it. So it goes through at least 2 or 3 inspections before they make it to the customer. But where do we go from here? If the driver inspected it before bringing it and he didn't notate it down, does that mean he's responsible for it? It's hard to say. I don't know how the rules work. But one would assume that. So the driver doing his thing. Y'all see him over there taking notes, writing stuff down, taking pictures. Yeah, he got to be extra careful because I know they got insurance on the truck, so it's insurance based, but still, ain't no customer gonna buy that Jeep like that. I don't care if it is brand new. It's got body damage on the top, man. You know how sensitive the top is? People, insurance company will total a car with the quickness when they got a top damaged. I mean with the quickness. Wonder how body shop gonna handle that. The suspense, guys. See, I hope he remember he left these. Look at this bag of keys. It's at least 100 grand right here. Sure, or that might be goes to all the ones that he's done dropped off already. I don't know. I think so, but yeah, he on his game, boy. He trying to figure out what the world happened. That ain't that bad, man. Oh, you can see it from here? Damn. Ooh. Both sides. Mike spotted that as soon as he brought it up the truck. Mike was like, uh-oh, we got one. Mike spotted that shit. Go ahead. Man. What happens when that happens? Because I heard he's supposed to inspect him before he put him on the truck.
Yeah, what's going to happen is he's going to have to write down those damages in the bill of lading before we can sign it.
Oh, really? So we won't get in trouble.
Then it goes to the Ash. The Ash is going to take pictures of it and send it to the body shop, get an estimate, and make a claim on it, but it has to be done within the 24 or 48 hours of us receiving it. And they have to put damage on it so we can get paid to fix it.
Credit for it. Well, do they still sell it as a new car? All right, guys, so that's how it's going down. I'm going to end this, man. It's a little drama filled today, so everybody be uptight when they get stuff like that. So I'm done, guys. Thanks for watching.